What's up, guys? It's Wednesday. You know what that means. What's in the shop Wednesday, where we take you through all three shops and show you what's going on. Today, we're going to start out here in our waiting area at the LATROBE store just to say hi to Becca and Isaiah. These are the ones that you guys are usually talking to on the phone, communicating to through email or Facebook Messenger or whatever. They're the salespeople. They're the customer service representatives. They're going to make sure that you are happy. Let's see what's happening in the rest of the shop. All right, so over here we've got a Chevy Camaro ZL1. This car is getting a full paint correction and a ceramic coating. The paint on this is in kind of rough shape, but we are going to be able to bring it back to life and make it look almost new. Over here on the lift, Aaron is working on a full stealth wrap on a GT500. This is for our friend Aaron. It's Aaron working on our friend Aaron's car, who's also getting, maybe it's an Aaron black stealth wrap thing. He has a black stealth wrap Camaro, so. Yeah, beautiful car. When it's done, it's gonna look mean with a stealth wrap. Over here, Guy brought us his Escalade. Guy's a good friend and customer of ours. We did paint protection film on the whole front end of this. We're ceramic coating it. I think we're tinting the windows as well. Anybody confirm that? Tinting the windows also. Right behind the Escalade, we have a Mercedes Benz. I believe this is a GLE model, and it got a polish and a coating. So it's just curing and ready to go home now. Trump 24 on this truck. So the reason it's here, it's getting the rocker panels redone on the passenger side because the truck had to get painted. So originally had paint protection film on there, right? And okay, so it's getting new PPF and a new coating on those surfaces. The week is never complete, ever, without Mr. Barbish having a vehicle here. So this might be his most awesome truck so far. This is an F450 dually lifted on fuel. I guess those are probably forged, yeah. Fuel forged wheels, polished aluminum. And this one's here just getting cleaned up, I believe, tinted the windows on it. And this Harley Davidson's here for an annual inspection. It's done, ready to go home as well. Outside, we have some neighbors that have pierogies. Gosha's pierogies are freaking delicious. I think they're fully operational now. They were building that place for a while. But anyhow, on cars, we've got a GMC Acadia AT4. And that one got the windows tinted. An older Cadillac that got some tint as well. And then a Mustang that was here for an annual inspection. We also had to polish and recoat a door because it had to get a door repainted as well. So body shop work is usually not that great when it comes to polishing. Let's see what's out front. And out front we've got a Viper RT10. We don't see these cars very often, but they're cool when we get them. We did window tint on the fronts and the full windshield with a clear heat rejection and UV protecting film. That will help with an older dashboard, keep it from cracking and things like that. We also did paint protection film on just the front bumper of this car. Let's see what's going on in Pittsburgh, and maybe we'll have time to check in with Miami.
What's up, guys? It's Wednesday, so let's check what's going on here at the Gibsonia shop. Next up for tint, we have this Toyota Highlander. This is getting the two front doors in our XR Prime 20% to match the back section, along with a 5% windshield visor. In the showroom, we have a 2020 RX 350. This is a completed ceramic coating. We tinted the two front doors to match the factory tinted back section, and did a paint correction on the entire vehicle and coated the entire outer shell in our XPEL Fusion Plus ceramic coating. Here we have a very unique vehicle. This is a Cadillac CT5V Blackwing, and the reason it's so unique is because it is a manual, which you don't see many CT5V Blackwing manuals out there. This is in for a consultation. We'll be doing a full body PPF wrap on this in the next few months. Next up, we have a Honda Passport. This is in for some miscellaneous paint protection film. We will be doing the entire front bumper along with our wear and tear kit, along with a piece called our luggage kit. So this is a piece that goes just on the inside of the hatchback here. So when you're loading things in or out of the vehicle, it won't scuff up the paint. And Mark is currently doing a paint correction in preparation for the Fusion Plus ceramic coating. In the tint bay, we have a Hyundai Sonata. This is in for both paint protection film and window tint. First up is the window tint. It is getting the 35% XR Prime tint on the two front doors and 20% on the entire back section. After that is complete, we'll be prepping the vehicle and doing a full front PPF. That includes the entire front bumper, the full hood, the two front fenders, and the mirror caps. Also in for some paint protection film is this Chevy Trailblazer. This is getting our full front along with the wear and tear. So again, that's going to include the front bumper, the full hood, two front fenders, the mirror caps, along with the wear and tear. And we also tinted the two front doors in 20% to match the factory tinted back section. In the back, we have this 2021 GMC Sierra Denali. This is in for some paint protection film, on the front bumper along with the lower doors. And next we're going to be doing a full paint correction and ceramic coating on the entire outer shell of the vehicle. That's all for what's going on here in Gibsonia. We'll see you guys back here next week.
Thank you guys very much for watching. Unfortunately, we didn't have a chance to check in with Miami. Patrick is busy paint correcting and ceramic coating a truck down there. So if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel, given us a thumbs up on this video, and commented. Please do that. Let us know what you think about what's going on this week, and we will see you next Wednesday.